Hello everyone. Well, today I'm posting a video that I hope will help you learn something and maybe even save your life. And it's involving driving up to a stop sign on a road that is two-way traffic. There's traffic coming from the left and the right. And I want to show you what many people will do, and I've even done it myself before. And that is pulling up here and I want to make a right-hand turn. So I put my right signal on and I look down the road and I see a car coming. So I'm waiting. I see it's clear. It looks like it's clear, and I'm going to go. Guess what I didn't do? What I did not do was look this way. This is passing allowed here, and if someone's passing, I would have turned right into them. So what I'm trying to show you here, folks, is that anytime that you have traffic approaching from the left like this, and you're at the stop sign, once that traffic passes, that doesn't clear you to just go and take a right-hand turn, because there very well may be someone passing someone over here. And so this is just what I wanted to show you today, and I hope that you will find this valuable and put it in your memory banks so you don't make this mistake and pull right into someone head on that may be passing on a two-lane road. That's my video for today. Hey, if you like music, I also do a lot of original tunes, so please check my name, Tyler Self, and the word songs on YouTube, and you'll see a lot of my original tunes. And I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, or if you like to subscribe, I certainly will subscribe back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.